boozy goosey gander.
Buzzy buzzy gander, little turtle wonder, up the down the little timber.
A favorite nursery rhyme of babies, children, and also of parents who like to teach this rhyme to the children. Did you know that geese are very good pets? Not only pets, but they are also guards. They can be the best of guards. In fact, they are even better than dogs to guard your territory, because whether it's your home or farm or even, believe it or not, even prisons. So geese can be make better guards than dogs, and of course much better than humans, for a number of reasons. Now the reasons why geese are better guards, best one and the primary one is that they can't be bribed. No, you can bribe humans of course anytime, and you can even bribe dogs with good food, good tidbits, a dish of meat maybe, and you have to really train the dogs not to accept food from anybody else. Whereas in the case of geese, it is not so. You cannot tempt them by food, you cannot tempt them by anything. They are territorial, they are loyal to their owners, and they will give such a honking, and they can even attack you if you try to intrude into their territory. So their loud honking and their tendency to be aggressive and to attack intruders makes them very effective alarm systems, which will bring all the other guards who are loitering here and there or whatever armed guards can come or not come, but even then, but the geese by themselves are good enough to chase away intruders. Now, that's one reason that they can't be bribed. The second one is that they have excellent eyesight. Because their eyes are sides of their heads, it gives them a panoramic view of all around. So it's not only that they have a all-round horizontal view, but also vertical. And also their eyesight is so good that they can see much further than any other animal, and they can distinguish between colors. Their color range of vision extends from ultraviolet to infrared, so they can see what we can't see, humans can't see, and even dogs can't see. So their vision is so good that they're all the time alert always. But they are actually used even in a very high security areas like prisons, and they are being used in Brazil, which uses geese as guards for patrolling for more than 10 years now.
In São Pedro de Alcântara Penitentiary, in Santa Catarina, southern state of Brazil, geese have replaced dogs as patrolling guard and have been found more effective.
You may have heard the story of geese having saved Rome, and this dates back to 390 BCE. Just imagine. So, this story as it goes is that there were Gaul, race that used to attack the Romans, and at one time when they were coming in the stealth of night, quietly attacking, it was the geese that gave such a loud honking gaggle. It was that it awoke the entire Rome, and the Romans came and quickly defended their territory. Centuries later, similar practices emerged in medieval Europe, where farmers used geese to guard against thieves and foxes. So the geese are celebrated as feathered heroes. Low maintenance, loyal, loud, they might just be the best security guards in history. Would you trust a goose to guard your home? Let us know in the comments.
Do you know gander is male goose? Plural of goose is geese. Chicks of geese are known as gosling.